guys, welcome back to another Visit Malone here. So it's week like 12 since I've been trying to finish the RSX. As you may know, it's been like hot, it's been raining, hurricane, all of that. It's time to stop being a I'm trying to finish that thing. I'm trying to finish it by this weekend because I'm trying to rip this thing and I can't drift it if I know I'm gonna possibly break it and I don't have another car. And my only other car is down. So we're just gonna go in on it because enough is enough. Like, I need to drive the RSX. Like, I miss driving that thing too. Right guys, so if you're new to the channel, this is the G35 drift car. It is a 6-speed, has welded diff, angle kit, just simple stuff like that. And this is the KANJO expired RSX with my old K20Z1. We just got this hood on. We just got it painted. I still gotta get it buffed, but we're having a little bit of issues here of it not sitting flush. Having trouble with the hinges because this car was like in the fender bender like twice in the front. All right, so what we got going on here, the rear mount is on, got the trans mount on. I went with the Instagram Bull Boost Performance. Yeah, make fun of me in the comments if you want. And now I just need the passenger side on. We're also going to be doing a battery delete. We're going to stick it down there and get this out the way. We're just going to like make it sit right here just like JP's so we can be janky builds approved. I still need to put the header back on. Right, so this is the passenger side mount. From my understanding, you gotta undo this and like twist it around so it can like actually sit where it's supposed to be. So that seems like it's gonna be a little bit of a pain, but we'll get it done. Right guys, so I'm trying to film before it gets dark. Got all the mounts in, got the passenger side mount on. This one's actually kind of easy and still need to find a bolt to delete this so it'll look cleaner. For now, we're just gonna lift the car up so we can put the header back on, because I gotta get it from the bottom. I gotta skunk to a header. Well, yeah, so my hood didn't close before, and I had to put these spacers on, and I got a long bolt right here, and I guess it pushed it out, and it like re-cracked my hood up here. I fucked up. All right, guys, so it's the next day. Car's pretty much done. We got the mounts on, the headers on. All we need is the battery, and we need to switch out the oil filter, because to get the header on, I had to take that one off. It's just better to have a new one with the new gasket on. Since the car's been sitting for like 3 months, we're gonna go ahead and add some octane booster. Then we're gonna see if it starts. Here we have the STI lip for the RSX, a banner. The vents are right here. I think I'm gonna get some new ones. But yeah, let's go get this thing started. Right guys, so we got the battery in. Everything else is on. We're gonna do the intake to over here and then the battery delete later because the coupler has still not come in. I'm trying to get a straight one and then cut this out so it can be right here. But yeah, I think she's ready to start. It's been 3 long months since I started this thing. I'm kind of scared. I'm trying to pump some oil through it. There you go. Saw that oil light? Oh my god. Need some gas. Well, let her warm up, see what she does. Right, so you guys know I had to bring the GoPro out. And to be honest, she sounds good. No engine movement. The only thing I'm concerned about is the hood latch right here is like really used up. So when I close the hood, it's like a lot of play, but we'll get that fixed. Bro, I forgot what it's like to drive this thing. The mounts definitely feel a lot more solid. We're gonna test them out right now. I like it. Definitely better than those broken mounts. Let's go for a second gear pull. The new hood doesn't have the jets for the windshield washers. Oh my God, bro. The only thing that this car needs now is some missing transmission bolts that the guy that did my swap didn't put back on. Yeah, but a lot of things were missing on the car. A lot of stuff wasn't tightened down when I got the car back from the swap, but she's coming together now. I don't want to throw any names out there. Like, I don't want to put the guy on the spot. It's just, man, I just wish I had the time to do it for myself. Motor mounts took 3 months. I just imagine the motor swap, I'll probably take like a year or two. Here talking to my mom, and she gave me the idea, well, she also has the same idea of getting some Lexan, making holes on them and tinting it a cool color, something that'll go with the car. So great minds think alike. But I hope you guys enjoy this short video of me. It's basically just me getting the car running again, because it's been long overdue. I've just been so lazy. This has been really hot. Like, I didn't even want to finish it. I've just been lazy. But I had to, because the front tires on those are getting pretty bad. And I don't want to be heading to work or from work and I'll get a flat, have a blowout or something. But glad we're driving the RSX again. Many, many miles to come. As you saw, we got the lip already. We have headlight tint, but yeah, a lot more to come. I'm still trying to figure out coilovers because I'm not trying to monster truck. We are still trying to find the third car. If you know from the previous video, we're trying to find the LS400 so we can drift it. So that car is basically going to be, if you want to be on the channel, we can drift it together. Like, I'll let you drift that thing while I drift that. We could just tandem together. Basically the channel car. Before the G35, that's what I wanted, the LS400. But they just all come automatic, so I wanted something manual, something that I already know because of my previous car that I gave to my brother. I just wanted something more ready to go. So yeah, that's how I ended up with that. But enough said. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.